How to add or subtract mixed numbers. In our previous video, we learned method 1 where we change the similar fractions first to similar fractions. In method 2, you change each mixed number to an improper fraction first before making the fractions similar. Example, 1 3/4 plus 3 1/2. You have to change each mixed number to an improper fraction. So we have to multiply 1 and 4. We get 4 plus 3. We get 7 over 4. Then we add the product of 3 and 2. So we get 6 plus 1. We get 7 over 2. Since the fractions are dissimilar, we have to change them to similar. In our solution on the right, we have the LCD of 4. So since in 7/4 the denominator is already 4, we don't need to do anything with this fraction. But in 7/2, we need to multiply 2 by 2 to get 4, and so with 7. So we get 7/4 plus 14/4. Now that they are similar, we can add them. So we get a sum of 21 over 4. And since this is an improper fraction, we can change it to a mixed number by dividing 21 by 4. So we get 5 and then 1, the remainder. So we have 5 and 1/4 as our final answer. Second example, 1 3/4 plus 5/6. We change 1 3/4 to an improper fraction by multiplying 1 and 4. So we get 4 plus 3. Okay, we get 7 over 4 plus 5/6. 5/6 and 7/4 are dissimilar fractions, so we have to make them similar. In our solution on the right, our LCD is 12. So what will you multiply to 4 in 7/4 to get 12? So 3. 4 times 3 is 12. Then multiply also 7 by 3. How about in 5/6? What will you multiply to 6 to get 12? 2. So do the same in 5. So we get a fraction of 21 over 12 plus 10 over 12. These are now similar fractions. We can now add them. 21 plus 10, we get 31 over 12. And this is improper, so we divide 31 by 12. We get 2. 2 times 12 is 24. And take away 24 from 31, we get 7. So the mixed number is equivalent to 2 and 7 over 12. Next example, 7 3/4 minus 1 1/8. So change each mixed number to an improper fraction. So we multiply 7 and 4, we get 28 plus 3, we get 31 over 4. Minus 9 over 8. So they are dissimilar, so we have to make them similar. The LCD of 4 and 8 based on our list on the right is 8. So multiply 4 in 31/4 by 2. Multiply also 31 by 2. In 9/8, we don't need to do anything because 8 is already the denominator. So we have 62 over 8 minus 9 over 8. 62 8s and 9/8 are already similar, so we can subtract them now. 62 minus 9, we get 53 eighths. So we divide 53 by 8, we get 6. And a remainder of 5 or 6 and 5 over 8. So this is the final answer. Last example, 5 and 1/4 minus 2 and 3/5. Let's change each mixed number to an improper fraction. So 5 times 4 is 20 plus 1, 21 over 4. Minus 2 times 5, 10 plus 3, 13 over 5. Since the fractions are dissimilar, we have to make them similar by finding its LCD. Based on the solution on the right, our LCD is 20. So in 21/4, what will you multiply to 4 to get 20? Of course, it's 5. So do the same in 21. In 13/5, 5 should be multiplied by 4 to get 20, and so with 13. So 21 times 5 is 105 over 4 times 5, which is 20, minus 13 times 4 is 52 over 20. So now that they are similar, we can subtract them. 105 minus 52, it's 53 over 20. And this improper fraction can be changed to a mixed number by dividing 53 by 20, which is equivalent to 2 and 13 over 20. Thank you guys for watching and liking my video and subscribing to my channel. Watch out for our next topic on multiplying fractions, whole numbers, and mixed numbers. Again, whatever problems we have, whether in math or in life, there is always one or more solutions that the Lord faithfully provides. Certainly, you can add and subtract mixed numbers in different ways. You just have to choose which way you would prefer. Likewise, there are a lot of ways to respond to a circumstance. Just do what's right and leave everything in God's hands. This is Teacher Zilla reaching out to you from Cagayan de Oro, your Pinay math teacher.